My name is Shad. I started camping as an infant in a cab-over camper on our '74 Chevy stepside. Years later, I developed Savage Camper, a blog about camping adventures, gear, and cool overland rigs. I was at the four-wheel camper factory when I saw for the first time an old photo of a 1970s squarebody K5 Blazer outfitted with one of their campers. The photo instantly reconnected me to my past. I even built squarebody RC trucks as a kid and inherited that old stepside in high school. It was at this point I realized a 4x4 Chevy squarebody would be the perfect vintage rig to represent Savage Camper. I created Photoshop mocks of what the rig might look like from images I found online. A couple years later, this red and white 1983 Chevy K10 6.2 diesel long bed with a 6-inch lift, Dana axles, and 37-inch tires popped into my life. The truck was the ultimate setup I had dreamed of owning. I presented the truck to four-wheel campers. They immediately saw the connection and suggested the Project M. The project was dubbed Big Red K10, and off I went, hustling on 8 months of full-time restoration work. With only a week to spare before the install date, the truck was restored enough for a 100-mile journey to the four-wheel camper factory. The Project M fit perfectly and was loaded up with options like roof tracks, a 160-watt solar panel, a power station, interior lighting, exterior lighting, remote-controlled fans, thermal insulation, bed padding, a big window, external mount track, an awning, and more. One of the best features of every four-wheel camper made is the master craftswomen and craftsmen behind the scene who fabricate and build every camper by hand here in Northern California. Work continues on Big Red K10, so follow Savage Camper for more restoration work, outfitting of the camper, and outdoor adventures that await.